You guys want to delete a Snapchat story where it's pretty simple and you're at the right video. But before I show you the steps, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can delete a Snapchat story. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, to delete the Snapchat story, first you need to make a Snapchat story. But if you guys want to delete a Snapchat story, then you guys might know how to make a Snapchat story, but for a backup I'm gonna make it. So basically click any random photo or a video you want to add to your story. Once it's clicked, you can click on this button over here, click on add, and remember your Snapchat story is gonna be disappeared after 24 hours. Now you can choose if you want to upload it to a private story or a normal story. I'm gonna click on my story. I'm gonna click on this button over here because I want to upload it to my normal story. Now wait until it's uploaded to my story. It's gonna take some time, and as you guys can see, the thing is added to my story. Now if I want to delete this, basically I can click on this button over here. Once I click on this button, it's gonna take me to my profile, and over here this is my story. So to delete this story, I can click on the story, and once I'm in the story, I can click on this three dot over here. Once I click on this three dot, as you guys can see where it says delete snap, you can click on it, and it's saying are you sure you want to delete it. Click on delete, and boom, your story has been deleted. So that's basically how we delete story on a Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, or like related with anything related to Snapchat story, you can ask us in the comment. We'll be happy to help you guys solve your problem and your question at the same time. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day. Bye bye.